Hello guys, and welcome to our channel this day. So today we will be exploring how to get free internet on HTML using SNI Bug Hosts. And for you to get that, it's not difficult, and we'll show you that in our video today. So we'll be back after the short intro. Okay guys, welcome back. And so to get free internet on HTML, there are some things you need to first of all put in place. What are the first things you're supposed to first of all put in place? The first thing you're supposed to make sure you have is your HTML Plus application. That's the first thing you need to have. As you can see, we are already in our HTML Plus interface. If you don't have an HTML Plus application, the best thing I advise you to do is to go and download it. You can download it on your Play Store, on your Play Store app. Just go to Play Store and you download the latest version of HTML Plus. When you download it, and you make sure your version is the latest version. So if you already have the application downloaded in your phone, you should always make sure that your application is the latest version. So we'll just quickly check to see if our application is on the latest version. So we'll just come and then we'll search HTML Plus to check if it is the latest version. As you can see, it is showing here open, and when it shows open like that, it means that the application, the latest version, has already been installed. So what will we do? We just quickly open. But otherwise, if it was not yet the latest version, then you will have seen the update application. Then in that case, you have to update your application first before moving forward. Okay, when you finish installing your application, this is how the HTML Plus interface looks like. It is very easy to use, and a very easy user interface, and many people love HTML because of how easy you can manipulate and play with your config files and get your free internet. So the first thing you want to do is to check your settings in general. Most of the times it usually comes on the random version, on the random server like this. But I usually prefer putting it in the United States because they have a faster internet connection. So you can put it in the United States, and for the ports you can select automatic, or you can select another one, and to change it to get your SNI, and to get to the place where to get your SNI. You first of all switch on your custom setup. Then here, as you can see, it shows direct connection, and you go to your SNI. The first thing you want to do is switch on your preserve SNI. As you can see, we already have a custom SNI that we have been using. However, if you are in a different country, you can get yours. You can get your own SNI host from your own country on our website. Luckily, we have a platform where you can get all your hard files, all your SNI hosts. So yeah, all you have to do is to just search for SNI Bug Hosts. Don't bother, we will share the link in the description below. we will share the link to you in the description, or you can also check in the comment section, and then you will see a link. So all you have to do is just to enter, and you see a list of free SNI Bug Hosts. Okay, so here you can see this is a platform where you can download, you can get free files from this platform. Here we have to explain to you how you can easily get these files. And so when you get a file, you get a file from this platform. Then you go back to HA tunnel. Since we already tested this file before making this video, for the sake of this video, we had to test it before showing it to you guys. So we have tested a lot of these files, and most of them are working. So this is the SNI host that we can provide for you. That is for my location. So I will start. As you can see, it shows here connected. This is it. It shows connected. When it shows connected, you can now access your internet and browse as you want. Okay guys, this is how you can get free internet using SNI Bug Hosts, using HA tunnel. And if you found this video helpful, we hope that you can give us a thumbs up, share this video to many other people, so that they can also enjoy free internet connection. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.